An unusual winter storm impacted Phoenix, Arizona in early 2026, bringing a combination of heavy rain, hail, lightning, and strong winds to parts of the metropolitan area.
Meu Deus! Não, mas tem tornado!
The event unfolded over several days, disrupting daily life and prompting weather alerts across the region. What began as scattered showers quickly intensified into a more organized storm system. As conditions deteriorated, meteorologists warned of localized flooding, reduced visibility, and hazardous travel across Phoenix and surrounding communities. This extreme weather event stood out in a city more accustomed to dry winter conditions, placing Phoenix under rare winter storm advisories and drawing attention across regional weather news. The storm developed as a cold upper-level system moved across Arizona, interacting with moist air and unstable atmospheric conditions. This combination allowed thunderstorms to form, producing periods of heavy rainfall and small hail across the Phoenix area. By the height of the storm, rainfall intensified over urban neighborhoods, where desert soil and paved surfaces limited absorption. Water quickly accumulated in streets, washes, and low-lying areas, raising concerns of flash flood conditions. Several parts of Phoenix experienced brief but intense downpours, with storm cells producing lightning and gusty winds. Weather officials described the system as a winter storm capable of producing impacts more commonly associated with the summer monsoon season. Geographically, the storm affected central and eastern sections of Phoenix, along with nearby valley communities. Strong winds accompanied the storm as it passed through the region, occasionally reducing visibility and making driving conditions hazardous. Authorities urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel, especially during peak rainfall. Hail was reported in localized areas, briefly covering roads and sidewalks. Although accumulation was limited, the sudden appearance of hail contributed to slick conditions and traffic slowdowns during the storm's most active phases. Emergency services across Phoenix responded to multiple weather-related incidents, including stranded vehicles and reports of water flowing across roadways. First responders worked to monitor flood-prone areas and assist residents where needed. Local authorities emphasized safety messaging throughout the event, reminding the public not to drive through flooded streets and to remain alert as conditions change rapidly. No widespread evacuations were ordered. According to preliminary reports, there were no confirmed fatalities directly linked to this storm within Phoenix. Damage was described as localized, with minor impacts to transportation and drainage systems. Meteorologists explain that winter storms of this nature are uncommon in Phoenix, but not unprecedented. When cold air aloft combines with sufficient moisture, the region can experience brief periods of severe weather, including hail and heavy rain. The storm highlighted the vulnerability of desert cities to flooding, even with relatively short-duration rainfall. Dry ground conditions and urban infrastructure can allow water to rise quickly during intense storms. As the system moved eastward, rainfall gradually decreased, allowing floodwaters to recede. Cleanup efforts focused on clearing debris from drainage channels and restoring normal traffic flow.